Dear students, see the next one from 11th standard motion in a straight line. NCERT example question number 3.8. See the question. In this question, we are going to calculate reaction time. Okay. Um, we applied some action, then that initial time is different for the action. Then after some times we can get the reaction. Say for example, I can leave this object from particular height. So after some time, it will reach my hand. So that is reaction time. So that reaction time only we are going to calculate. So if you observe the question, it is too much long, but it is not that much difficult. It is very easy only. See that question. When a situation is demands our immediate action, okay, it takes sometimes before we really respond. Okay, the reaction time is the time a person takes to observe, think and act. Okay, so reaction time means, say for example, you have to observe something, even just you observe the cinema, some comedy scenes will come, just you observe that after observation only, uh, it takes some time because in the biologically it will reach your brain, after that it will be exposed something, so it will take some time for reaction time. So that reaction time we are going to calculate. Okay, that much small. Okay, so that reaction time is a time a person takes observe. First they want to observe and think, then they will act. Okay, so for example, they give one small example. If a person is driving and suddenly a boy appears on the road, okay, suddenly one boy will come in front of the car. So in that situation, then the time elapsed before he comes to brake the car is the reaction time. Means that the reaction time depends upon the complexity of the situation and on the individual. So the person to person it will be variable. Okay, that reaction time it will be variable. Okay, right. So that only they are saying. So it is individually it will be variable. For example, one more thing, you can measure your reaction time by a simple experiment. Okay, now only it is a major. See that. Take a ruler. Ruler means scale. Okay, it is a scale. Okay. Take a ruler and ask your friend to drop the vertically through the gap between your thumb and forefinger. See that. Here your thumb finger is there. Now you have to fix with your. It is like a scale. It is like a scale. Okay, it is a scale. Your thumb finger is here. Then your forefinger is here. Your friend leave the object from here. Okay, so in this situation, listen. In this situation, after you catch, after that you have to catch it. Okay, and then find the distance traveled by the ruler. Okay, so the object is passing on the passing here through the what? That's the ruler. So okay, so that distance is covered is given. See that in a particular cases that is a d. D is the distance. The distance covered is, that is d is given. This is a d. D is given as 21 centimeter it is traveling. So estimate the reaction time. How to find? So there is a relationship between the position and the time. Okay, see that first. But they mention as what is that? They drop the ball, freely drop the ball. So here the initial velocity is 0. So initial velocity v naught or u is equal to 0. And then the g value minus 9.8 meter per second square, because it is moving downward direction. That's due to that. Then the distance covered by the object is given, that is 21 centimeter or 21 into 10 power minus 2 meter. So the reaction time, So simply I write T suffix R. So reaction time you are going to calculate. Very simple. See that you know the formula. There is a relationship between the position and the time from equations of motion. S equal to ut plus half at square. So we can write S is nothing but the distance covered. D is equal to initial velocity v naught and time, then half into acceleration is equal to minus g because it is in downward direction. So initially I will take, okay, g is equal to minus 9.8. So 9.8 is equal to minus g. So directly I write here minus, okay, minus and then g value, then t square. So here t is nothing but reaction time. So initial velocity 0, so this term will not come. So d is equal to minus g tr square divided by 2. Okay, right. Now tr square, that is reaction time, is equal to minus 2d divided by g. Okay, right. Listen. So now therefore tr square is equal to minus 2 into d value. Distance, how much distance is covered? So 21 centimeter, 21 into 10 power minus 2 meter, divided by g value taken as 9.8. Okay, is it? So therefore reaction time tr square is equal to 2 into 21 is 42. So 42 into 10 power minus 2 divided by 9.8. Okay, right. So here the negative sign will come. That, okay, that negative sign due to from this acceleration. Okay, right. Or otherwise we can do one more way. If the object is moving downward direction, generally the equation we can write as d is equal to ut, what is it, ut minus half gt squared. Okay, so here that already in the equation is minus is there. Okay, now we can apply the g value. G value what? That is g value. Okay, therefore tr squared is equal to 42 into 10 power minus 2 divided by 9.8. G value specifically they didn't give, no problem. Okay, so directly we can apply, no problem. So minus is there, therefore 42 divided by 9.8. Okay, see that one more step I can write here. 42 into divide by 9.8, I can write 98 into 10 power minus 1. Already here 10 power minus 2 is there. Okay, so please listen, 10 power minus 2 divided by 10 power minus 1. So 10 power minus 2, 10 power minus 1 cancel means what will come? In the numerator 10 power minus 1 is there. So I will write here I can write 10 power minus 1. I hope you understood. Listen carefully. So 42 divided by 98. What will come? See that? 42 divided by 98. Point. Add 0. So 4 times will come. So 4 into 98. 400 means 4 times 100 means 400. So 8 reduce. So 392 will come. But anyhow 0.4 enough. Okay, approximately. So 0.4. So this value is 0.4 into 10 power minus 1. So I can write this is equal to 0.4 into 10 power minus 1. I can write as 0.04. So that is reaction time. It is a reaction time square. Okay. So therefore finally reaction time is equal to whole root of 0.04. Okay. So therefore reaction time is equal to 0.04. You can take root, that is 0.2 second. So 0.2 second only answer. Here you know the minus sign is there. Okay, the minus sign is there, but no need to mention because that magnitude only enough. Okay, so that minus sign due to there is acceleration in the downward direction. For that purpose only Okay, so the actual answer is what? That is because time we can't say in negative. Okay, so that I take that magnitude only. Okay, the magnitude what? That is 0.2 second. So if you leave this object, in 21 centimeter, it will be covered in 0.2 second. Okay, thank you.